this.
Look at it. Look at the yard. It's already.
Wow. It's like a freaking punch in the face.
Jeez Louise.
It's like boom in your face with my foot. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Is he recording?
Oh yeah.
Can he hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, face. Pinch your face.
Holy cow.
Stop it. What is wrong with you?
I'm feeling good. Oh!
Oh, wait. Jeez, girl.
That's awesome. How long are you supposed to do this?
I don't even know.
Oh, it's cold. I gotta get back inside now.
Wow.
Oh, wow. I should not lift up my hands.
Holy smokes. Yeah, we don't even get this kind of weather.
Yeah.
We hadn't seen this kind of a storm all year.
Really?
Yeah.
We never see this in North Carolina.
Wow. It's like a snow mist.
Yeah. That's cool, though.
Yeah. Look at the car. Jeez. These people got stuck in the mist.
Yeah.
I bet half these people didn't know what was happening.
We didn't even know.
I bet we're gonna lose power. I'm surprised we didn't lose power already. We usually lose power.
Really?
Holy smokes.